How to add music to Windows Media Player. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to add music to Windows Media Player. So if you want to learn how it's done, then this video is for you. So what you can do is just open Windows Media Player, click on Organize, click on Manage Library, and just choose Music right here. And then in here, just choose the default save location that you want to add in this. So just click on this one, then click on Add, and then in here just click on music and include folder. So once you have included that, so for me I already included that, so that comes the error. So once you have done that, as you can see, the Windows folder right here is actually empty. So what you can do is you can just add any music in here. So let's try to add a music in here for my downloads. So here it is, and I will just drag it and move it to music. Once I have moved it, it will show in here, and then it will also show on my Windows Media Player. So that's how you do it. That's how to add music to Windows Media Player. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below. I'll try my best to answer them. Thanks.